Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're tackling a question I see pop up quite a bit. How can you enjoy the sleek and user-friendly Samsung Music Player on any non-rooted Android phone? Well, the good news is, it's totally possible. Samsung Music is a fantastic music player. It boasts a clean interface, excellent audio quality, and some really handy features that many of you might be missing out on. Whether you just love its design or prefer its specific functionalities, you don't need a Samsung phone to experience it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to install the Samsung Music Player on your non-rooted Android device using an APK file. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think, so let's get started. Here's what you need to do: download the app file from the video description. Your phone will likely ask you for confirmation to install the application. Tap Install and wait for the process to finish. Open and enjoy Samsung Music. Once the installation is complete, you should find the Samsung Music app in your app drawer. Simply tap on it to launch and start listening to your favorite tunes. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully installed the Samsung Music Player on your non-rooted Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Android tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.